Hi guys, happy Friday. So we are going live with Restylane Kysse. This has easily become my absolute favorite lip filler product and our patients love it. It's a really soft, natural result. And we may not even use the full syringe. A lot of times we don't even use the full amount, especially on someone that already has nice plump lips like you do. We don't want you walking away hating your lips. We just want subtle and pretty. There's a lot of ways we can do Kysse. I like to just do linear threads. So that's what I'm gonna do. You doing okay? Mm-hmm. So we've already got a great border, so I'm just doing a tiny little linear thread here. This is a nice superficial injection. So as we're going, she may kind of get some lumps and bumps, and that's why at the end I'm gonna kind of massage it out and get everything smooth. And Kysse does tend to make you swell at different rates. So like on the other side of her lip, she's a little swollen right now. So as I'm injecting, I'm not chasing the swelling on that side. I'm chasing the amount that I know that I need to get to on this side. So when I'm looking at her lips, I always want to note the anatomy first. So you can tell she's got a little bit of a dip right here. That could be just her natural anatomy, maybe some filler from last time. So I'm not going to add more there. I'm going to respect that and even it out.